Two Travelers and Bag of Gold. Once upon a time, there were two friends named Alex and Ben. They loved exploring new places and seeking treasures. One day, while walking through a forest, they found an old bag lying on the ground. When they opened it, they discovered it was filled with shiny gold coins. Excited and surprised, Alex and Ben counted the coins. There were many of them. They decided to share the gold equally between them. They believed this was the fairest way to enjoy their discovery. As time passed, Alex and Ben each went their own way. Alex was a thoughtful person. He understood that having gold was like having a special seed that could grow into something bigger. He used his share of gold to start a small business. With hard work and clever decisions, his business grew, and he became successful. Ben, however, was different. He loved fun and excitement. He used his gold to buy fancy things, throw big parties, and live a lavish life. But soon, the gold started running out, and Ben found himself in trouble. Years later, fate brought Alex and Ben back together. Alex was now a respected businessperson with a comfortable life. Ben, on the other hand, was struggling because he had spent all his gold, without thinking about the future. When they met, Ben realized his mistake. He saw how Alex had used his gold wisely to build a good life. Alex shared his knowledge with Ben, and taught him about making smart choices with money. The story of the two travelers and the bag of gold teaches us that it's important to make wise decisions, especially with money. It shows that thinking ahead and using resources wisely can lead to a better life in the long run. Moral: the tale reminds us that making thoughtful choices, especially with money, can lead to success and happiness.